So I was here today speaking to the Excel Academy, and it's an all-girls school here in Washington, D.C., and it was really great to come talk to them about my mission on board the ISS and the space program, and more importantly, how girls can get involved in STEM. When I was little, probably about their age, I remember shuttles launching over and over, and I became fascinated with watching these shuttles launch. And my parents saw this, and they came up to me and said, "Hey, are you interested in working for NASA someday?" I said, "Yeah, I think I want to be an astronaut." So the advice that I give young girls is pay attention to those who are living and working around you. If you see a field, especially in science, chemistry, physics, engineering, medicine, there's so many fields in STEM that you think you might be interested in, go up and talk to that person. Go and bother them, ask them about what they do. Don't be shy. I think it's hard for young girls because we're very shy and we don't want to go up and talk to people because we feel like we're bothering them. But I tell girls this age to go ahead and bother. And I love this job. Number one, certainly after flying on Expedition 56 and 57, all the tremendous science we did on orbit, certainly a lot of science that actually helps humanity, everything from research on cancer to Parkinson's disease, on Alzheimer's. But man, I get to float everywhere in my line of work, at least when I'm on board the space station, and there's nothing cooler than that.